convert. Convert 324 base what? Base 9 to base 10. Now, solution. We write out the value 324 base 9. Now the next thing for us to do is to assign values from the back. This will be 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the next thing to do? From here, we are going to have, we write out the expanding form of what we have here. 3 times what? 9 raised to the power of what? 4. Then plus 2 times 9 raised to the power 3. Then plus 4 times 9 raised to the power 2. Then plus what? 0 times 9 raised to the power what? 1. Then plus 0 times 9 raised to the power 0. Now, we have the expanding form of what we have here. This is the expanding form. So the next thing for us to do is to simplify the expanding form. How do we do that? 3 times what is 9 raised to the power 4? 9 raised to the power 2 is 81. 81 times 81 is 9 raised to the power 4. Because 9 raised to the power 4 is 81 square. So in that case, that will give us 6561 plus 2 times 9 raised to the power 3. What is 9 raised to the power 3? 9 times 9 is 81. 81 times 9 is 729. Plus 4 times, what is 9 square? 81. A term with 0, this will turn to 0, plus a term with another 0 is also 0. So what do we have? Now we are going to multiply. We multiply from the back. Now, 1 times 3, what do we have? We have 3. 3 times 6, what do we have? That is 6 times 3 again, what do we have? 18. We carry 1, don't forget. Now, 5 times this 3, what do we have? 15. Plus 1 that we carried, what are we going to have? 16. Then we carry 1 again. Now, 6 times 3, 18. Plus 1 that we carry, that is 19. So it means that we now have the value for 3 times 6561 to be what? 19,683. Now, let's multiply this. 2 times 729. 9 times 2, what do we have? 18. Then we carry 1. 2 times 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Now, 2 times 7, what do we have? 14. Plus, we now multiply this. 4 times 81. 4 times 1 times 4, what do we have? 4. 8 times 4, that is 32. So we have 324 for this. Take note. And this is 0 plus 0, that is 0. Now, the next thing for us to do is to add. We are going to add everything together. So adding everything together, we know that 324 plus 0 is 324. So we are going to add 19683 plus 1458. Then plus 324. Let's add. What are we going to have? We are adding the 3 together. Let's add. Adding the values together, we start from what? From the back. It's very important. 3 plus 8, that is 11. 11 plus 4, 15. So we write 5. Then we carry 1. Take note. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. 14 plus 2, 16. Then we carry 1 again. We write down 6 and carry 1. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 3, 14. Then we carry 1 again. Now, 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Then we carry 1 again. Now we have 1 left. 1 plus 1, because of the 1 we carry. That will now becomes 2. So the answer is equal to what? We now have it to be 21,465 base 10. That is the solution to the problem.